And if not, F it, I'm out of here. Does anybody see the TikToks you don't stop, the YouTubes, Facebooks, anything?
YouTube's good.
What's that?
TikTok.
Yay! Is it like or does it look all right? TikTok is reversed. The image is backward. Yay! Get this out of the way. Let me see if I can rotate.
Coach, I love the glasses on TikTok.
You like that?
Yeah.
Told you I was getting turned. Getting turned. All right. I just thought, you know what? See if we can draw them in, right? See something different. See something they've never seen before. I'm in AR right now, so I am using everything in virtual reality.
You're having so much fun this morning.
I am. This is way better than just sitting in my office every day. I got to do the things to keep the brain alive.
That sunlight.
Yes. Sorry about the echo. Hopefully
Get that sunlight in there.
Once I fill this room with furniture, hopefully it will calm this echo down. It's just there's hardly anything in here now. I pulled everything back out. I had all my outdoor deck stuff in here and set it all up nice and neat, and then I ordered furniture and then I pulled it all back out, and so I just left this chair in here so I could at least sit in here to do this. I was not anticipating doing this today. My wife's like, just set it up in there. She's like, you don't want to sit in that office. I'm like, you're right. And then 6 hours later, here we are.
Coach, I was driving down the road today.
Yeah.
And I saw a tiny house. And I was going to take a picture of it. Tomorrow. I could only think of you. I just had to be someplace.
Oh, I love you guys. You guys crack me up. Never again. Good job, Mark. I don't know if you can hear me, but I see it. Nice work. Nice job.
I saw it. I said, there's absolutely no way you could ever stay in that thing.
I told my wife, I'm like, my bedroom's bigger than this place. I'm out of here. She's like, you're just being bougie. I'm like, what are you talking about? We gotta go now. Good job.
It's like being in a sardine can, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. It reminded me a little too much of where I came from. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, I fought to get out of that. You know, where you're sitting there and you thought you had free cable until your neighbors closed their curtains. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, what are we watching tonight?
That's hilarious.
That's the best one. That is the best one.
All right. So WLDS, we had a runner. Good morning, everybody, by the way. I know things look a little different. I'm in my sunroom. I'm streaming through my Apple Vision Pro to my MacBook using Windows 11 in parallels in a virtual system. So everything was a little hokey this morning, but I got it to work. And the only reason I got to do that is because TikTok Studio will only run on Windows. So you have to run it in this virtual simulated stuff. But typically when I'm like in my Cybertruck, I'm using a Windows laptop, right, with a big old GPU and everything, so it doesn't really affect it. But today I wanted to use my my headset. So now I've got a ginormous ultra wide display in front of me with my widgets and everything. And so I just thought it'd be just something different, and you guys can see something a little different too, right? We'll make it real stylish. Here you go. Yeah, baby. American Dream Trading. You like that with a hat on? Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do.
I see nothing here.
You're in Zoom though. You can't see it on Zoom.
Okay, fine. Good, thank you.
Yeah. I'm just sparing you. You know what though? I do have another camera set up over there. Hold on. Let me see if I can torture test this, because that'll be worth it. Hold on. Give me a moment, just a moment. Let me see if I can kick that other camera on. Let's hope I don't blow the system up. All right, let's try it. And live. There we go. Can you guys see it on Zoom now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can see you.
You like the little hat I just threw up on top? Yeah, baby. There we go. Oh, I can't believe that's all working. You guys see that? I got the 360 cam up there. Following me around. Looking at. Why are you following me, dog? Huh?
Yeah.
It's funny because the camera looks
Trying
like
to keep up.
It looks like that robot on Short Circuit.
Right.
The eyes. That's what it looks like.
Johnny Five.
Yeah, Johnny. What is it, Johnny 5?
No, just a symbol.
Yeah, that's what's following me. Just follow me around. So we had a runner, WLDS. I'm gonna kill this camera, just because I don't really, you guys don't need the Zoom camera up, right? Okay, good. Bye-bye. Okay. WLDS. PPI numbers came out. Richard, you want to discuss the PPI numbers, since I wasn't privy to it and I wasn't here, just so I don't screw that up, if you want to let the peoples know what happened with the PPIs?
Bruno did cover that in pre-market strong. It was excellent PMI, not for the Fed so much, but as far as inflation. The previous month was plus 0.7, and the forecast was that it was going to drop to 0.3, but it actually dropped to a minus 0.1. So inflation month over month radically dropped, which is really positive actually for the economy, not so much for the Fed decision.
Yeah, that's a bummer.
But the market took off. Yeah.
Too bad we couldn't have got that news after, right? A rate cut.
Yeah.
So now I'll be like, well, I don't know yet.
But as far as health for the economy, it actually is. We want costs to be down for the average person.
So it is what we've been saying, which is inflation is down, costs are coming down. It's everything that everybody has been saying, right? So
what was interesting is everybody was reacting to the jobs number year over year, and what they forget is that wait a minute, when you're looking at year over year, we have a new administration in April, right? May, well before that, but really going into effect in that first quarter. A big part of that year's numbers were from the previous administration. So really, how much does it count?
Right.
I don't think people think about that. But wait a minute. That previous administration was handling things entirely differently.
That's correct.
Yeah.
And then there's always a lag too. There's always a big lag.
Correct. That's why I said April, because he's brought in in January.
And it seems like the Oracle numbers are the story that's carrying the market right now.
So, the
Well, actually, the numbers popped at 8:30. Yeah, I was in Oracle with the Strangle. Beautiful play. Gorgeous.
Oh my gosh, that's a great one, man.
It was. Yeah. If it doesn't pull back really big profit taking, I'll be up over $3,000.
Nice.
Coffee and a diet.
Thank you.
Because you're my best friend.
Thank you.
Was that a straddle or strangle?
Strangle.
Are you
for December. Somebody mentioned it yesterday. 3 months out.
I'm good.
And why? Because if it doesn't go your way, you have 3 months to recover.
1 minute to market.
Thank you. By the way, since we haven't gotten to anything since I ran so late, if you guys are interested in joining us, just go to americandreamtrading.com. Make sure you follow all the rules. Nobody lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account. Make sure you have stop losses on each and every trade. Do not use real money while you are in here training. Go in with small position sizes. Make sure you guys journal every single day. And mute those microphones, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. I appreciate everybody being here. Sorry for the super late start today. I just wanted to do something different, but we are set up now. We are set up for success. So I will be trading a live account in front of your face today like magic. See what's going to happen. Waiting for this market to open.
15.
5 seconds. 5 seconds. The market pops, so I'm going to be looking for a drop at the open. I do not have any of this set up on this laptop at all. None of this is set up right. And there goes the drop at the open that I was going to get into the trade. Oh gosh. What is this nonsense? I have no idea what's going on. It's huge, 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 huge. Did anybody get in this drop at the open? Remember, if it runs up in the pre-market, what does it most likely want to do at the open?
Drop.
Thank you.
WLDL, just hold it to the top.
Thank you. I'm in this so late. Anybody make any money off that beautiful move? Boy, none of this is set up right on this system. Wow.
No, but I'm making money off the WLDS.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I missed nice.
You
nice,
got that
nice.
spy drop, huh?
Yeah, well, I would have, but nothing is set up on this system.
Damn. Yeah.
That wasn't a really nice trade, and I got confirmations popping up. Nothing's set up. No turbo trading is set up.
Apple is really dropping like a rock.
Yep, I see it. Apple down 1.5%. I gotta get some of these turbo systems set up. Get this garbage out of my way. Turbo Trader Futures. There we go. Get that out of my way. This up here. There we go. No, none of that is right. Awesome. Goodness gracious. Why is it set that way? None of that is right. Boy, none of this is right. Sweet.
There's an echo on TikTok with the Zoom participant.
Yeah, I can't fix that today though. Thank you.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because it's coming back through my speakers. Look at Apple crashing out. Apple 2
Oh, it's
minute.
not the only one. Amazon is doing the same thing as well. Meta and Microsoft.
Apple
Pick your
2 minute.
poison.
Apple 2 minute EWO to the downside. any of these damn indicators set up either. All right, let's see what's going on over here with SPY. I was in a beautiful trade right out of the open. That was the nice setup. Of course, I could not execute it. System wasn't ready. That was my fault to not being ready. Always make sure you have your systems ready and available to do what you need to do, right?
So go pre-market upside.
Thank you. Moderators, you got mics open. Let me kill them.
Recording in progress.
Thank you. Yes, if you want to join that site, I can't say it, flags our system. Go to americandreamtrading.com. You can join us for free right now. It says join the community. This thing is still running against me. Man, that was such a beautiful trade too. Anybody get that pull at the open that I wasn't able to take advantage of?
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Thank you.
Take care of Amazon, Spy, and Apple. Yay.
Good job, everybody.
Look, NVIDIA long and a beat bounce.
Thank you.
Apple is still going down.
That is correct. 2-minute EWO is what we called out at the open. Everybody should still be in that, yes?
Yeah, they're going nuts right there on the chat, making money.
Good. I like it. Everybody so far has made bucket loads of cash here at American Dream Trading in the pre-market and now at the market open. Coach.
Thank you very much, Coach.
Yeah, good job. Good job. Yeah, I know, Jersey, I see you over there in the Trader's Lounge. I got you. I tried to change the sound into my headset, but the problem is it wouldn't take. Let me try it again. Hopefully it doesn't blow up the system so I can get rid of the echo. Hold on. I tried this earlier and it wouldn't let me change it.
Coach, WLDS.
Check Zoom. Can you hear me? And now I got no audio, and that's what I was afraid of. Check. No audio. I lost all audio.
I can hear you, Coach. I can.
We hear you.
Hopefully that recovered. Check.
Loud anything on Zoom?
Nope, it did not. Awesome.
Can you hear us?
We've got no audio.
No, he can't hear us. We can hear him. He can't hear us.
Recording in progress.
Tesla was all the way up and just pulled right all the way right back down. That was violent.
Oh, you know
Big
what?
fence posts.
I know how to get rid of this echo. Hold on. Check. Can you guys hear
Anybody
me?
have an unhold time on WLDS?
941.06.
Thanks, Bucko.
Thank you.
Hey, Coach.
Hold on.
It'll be LDS halted down now.
Hold on, I'm trying to fix audio. Somebody said, hey, Coach Cope.
WLTS altered to downside. Can you hear us, Coach?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. I'm trying to change my audio, so bear with me.
No
Trying to get
problem.
rid of the echo. If I can put it into my headset, it'll dump the echo outside. Sorry for the technical difficulties. Why connecting?
And be to the upside.
Bear with me, just keep calling things out as you see it. You guys there?
Yes, Coach.
Yeah, we can hear
Yes,
you.
Coach.
Just trying to figure out why I got so. Testing. Testing 1, 2.
We hear you.
There it is. Holy crap, Alini. Okay. Everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Craig's list, all the things. Echo should now be gone. Let me know. Moderators, you let me know because I don't have those screens up.
Echo gone.
Thank you. Yay!
Yeah, the echo's gone on YouTube, Coach.
Thank you. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's how we do.
Jeez, the market is still going down. Wow.
Everybody's making bucket loads of cash. We had another $1 million day yesterday, by the way. Congratulations to our trading community on another $1 million plus day here. The only ones that I've ever heard of in my life that do it pretty much every single freaking day. Congratulations to all of you that are part of our community. We've got 350 people in here right now, hundreds watching around the world. Appreciate you all. Speaking of that, I want to thank all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day. Also, thank you to my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Thank you. Meow. Moderators, I'll get to yours in a minute. I know we were running extremely late today. Look at Apple. Apple now down over 2%. It's glorious.
Coach, check out NVIDIA.
It's doing what?
Up 4.5. Up
It's
4.5%.
Thank you.
It's on the way up. It's the only one going up.
Thank you. It's the only one holding SPY up.
Yeah,
Real quick,
that's
I
it.
want to thank my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Jeffrey, Dom, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, Mountain Man, and Juan. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. SPY pulling back here. Apple still to the downside. Everybody in our Apple gang over there, 2-minute EWO gang, should be loving life. Printers are on full blast. This is one of the greatest days they've ever had. Congratulations to you. Don't even have any area yet where you needed to shed. So that means you are fully loaded, fully locked and loaded over there on the 2-minute EWO. Congratulations, all of you. NVIDIA 4.5%, continuing to make higher highs. Nice job. Good job. SPY is up 0.5%. NVIDIA still cranking. Where all my 2-minute EWO, 2-minute Apple riders at? You guys are making bucket loads of cash. It's one of the best days that has ever happened to Apple in a short amount of time. Who's in that trade? Tell me. Should be rich as hell.
I'm in it, coach.
1%
Yeah,
on
I
us.
still have one contract.
Thank you. Should be your best day you've ever had in your lives. Congratulations. Welcome to an account changing day over there for Apple. Nice job. You guys worked hard. You work hard, you get those nice, beautiful paydays like that, right? Jose, I see you just joined over there. Thank you, Peter. I also see you joined by going to americandreamtrading.com, clicking join the community for free right now. Make sure you verify your accounts, otherwise the system will kick you off. We do not have bots and fake accounts. Don't forget, no one here will reach out to you. No one will send a friend request. We do not have WhatsApp. We do not have Telegram. None of that crap. All right, SPY getting a nice pullback here again. Looking for SPY to come down here to that 652 area. That's what I'm watching for here.
Meta and Amazon is still going strong to the
Thank you.
downside.
Thank you. Apple looks like it found support around, what is that, 228? Yeah, 228.50.
That's the first shading position on Apple.
Yes, it is. Yep, you're absolutely right. That's your first slight pullback on Apple where you guys want to shed, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, SPY sitting right at VWAP, still channeling around VWAP, still to the downside since the open. People are still trying to collect their profits from the run up. Yeah, if you see Apple start to change position and forming that boot, it should take SPY and start to launch since NVIDIA's been taken off. Let's check NVIDIA.
About to
Yeah,
get new high.
NVIDIA's still making higher highs. Found resistance at 179. 179. SPY starting to
Another
climb
higher day.
here. Which one?
Hood marching up strong.
Hood. Okay, thank you. All right. SPY still bouncing around here. No, not doing a whole lot of anything. NVIDIA found resistance at 179. 179. SPY still trying to break that 653.70 area. Has not done it yet. Thank you again, everybody, for joining us. Oh, good. Glad to hear it. Thank you. Thank you for all those gifts. I see you all over there. Make sure you guys double tap that screen. You have no idea how hard I had to work to get in here today on this on this different setup. Holy shnikes. So thank you for being here. Don't forget, we're here live 3 times a day. I'm here from 9 to 11. Mark's here from 2 to 4. And then Dawn is on the aftermarket program from 4 o'clock on. 3 times a day, we're here live every single day. SPY starting to break that 653.70 area. Has not yet, but it's trying to get back up there. And it breaks that. We're going to be looking at that 654.20.
Or chop
654.20.
stuff.
Hot stock pick AEHL, unhalted bounced.
Unhalted to the upside, is that what you said?
Yeah, but it's below VWAP. It's very risky, but it
Oh,
it moved
then we
nice.
don't need to
Yeah,
know. Yeah, we don't need to know until new high day then.
yeah, it moved 30%. It's risky.
NVIDIA
Yep.
pulling back.
Thank you. Let's see. Yep, Nvidia's pulling back. I see it.
No, that SPY is interesting today because a lot of those big seven pulled very, very strongly. But SPY not so much. However, it wants to scream to the upside.
Well,
It
everybody
wants
just
to.
remember, everybody just remember there are 500 companies in SPY, right?
Yeah.
Hey, coach, you know you're in a trade, right?
Yep, I see it. Yeah, I forgot about it, but I see it. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, coach, ORCL, 37%.
Okay, nice job. Oracle cranking to the moon, huh?
Is Amazon still strong to the downside?
They're going down.
Amazon, anybody got Amazon on your radar?
Yes.
Down 3%.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you. What was the Oracle news? Somebody said Oracle news. What was it?
Earnings.
Oh,
Earnings
okay.
and a very optimistic growth trajectory,
Forecast.
kind of
Okay.
putting them into the hyperscaler category, coach, where they're
Thank you.
competing against Amazon and they're competing against Microsoft.
Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, I love Oracle. I used to work with them a long time ago. All right. It's like a whole nother lifetime now.
And
Nice, nice.
that's also giving some legs to PLTR because PLTR has a partnership with Oracle.
Yep, thank you. Welcome, B T Lietz. Sorry if I said that wrong. I see you just joined us. Congratulations. Welcome aboard. Nice, nice. Don't forget, you guys can join us over at AmericanDreamTrading.com. By the way, we have a 2-week free trial to our premium crypto and futures membership. Or I'm sorry, 1 week free trial. Oh, there goes SPY. Thank you. Just looking for that
Oh, wow.
collapse. Yeah, couldn't hold that 653.70. There we go. Daddy's gonna get paid now. Just got paid. It's Friday night.
Thanks God for the stop loss. Who took profit
There it
from it?
is. There it is on the double bottom now, taking profit.
Yeah.
Which it looks like I didn't get anything, but that's okay. Better than a $400 loss. I'll take a break even on that trade. Very
That
nice,
was a gnarly
very
candle.
nice. There's a double bottom right there. There's a nice double bottom bounce. You all know what my favorite trade in the business is, don't
Yeah,
you?
you love the double bottom.
Yes, we do.
Which one do you prefer,
Yes.
double top or double bottom, coach?
Double top if I had to
Yeah,
choose.
that's what I thought.
Yep.
Because when it pull,
Yep.
it really print.
Yep. I want it to just
Yep.
crash.
He's a bear.
Double
Yep.
bottom
I
Brr.
trade.
love bear market. Like Microsoft this morning and Amazon, I was like, yes.
Nice, nice. Thank you for that follow, Pinnacle. I see you. Thank you. Appreciate you, Miranda. Thank you for those gifts. I see the gifts over there on the TikToks. You don't stop. Oracle coming back down here now to VWAP. Apple's still on that single move off that 228.50 area. SPY, I'm looking for it to break this 652.70 area. If it does, I'll look at shorting it, not financial tax or investment advice. So SPY is now back in this channel, the 652.70 to 653.70. If you got in on that double bottom bounce up to VWAP, that's where we collect. Waiting for it to break VWAP. Good job on that double bottom bounce. Perfect execution. A+ setup here at American Dream Trading. Who got in on that? Talk to me, Goose.
I did, Coach.
Thank you. Nice job. Atlantic 92. I see your help desk ticket 5527. Yes, premium members get access to the hot stock picks. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. We're going to be closing that ticket out now. You have a blessed day. Thank you so much for being here. Boy, it's nice being able to work on 87,000 things at once. That's nice. Just got paid. Oh, thank you, Doug, for retweeting out that we are live today. I appreciate you. All right. Can see
Nice
Spy
cover,
is
Coach.
still struggling. Thank you. I appreciate it. Spy is still struggling here around VWAP. I can see Apple. It's got that little boot going, but it stopped right there at VWAP. Has not broke above that yet. All right. Nice. Starting to pull back a little bit below VWAP. I got, excuse me, I got a little bit of room, not a ton. Just a little tappy tap down there. Tappy tap. Oh, that's not a lot. I'm out. I need more than that. I want to see it break down there.
I think SPY is on consolidation mode right now.
Yep, it's still between 653.70 and 652.70, right in that channel. Everybody sees that channel that
Yeah.
we've got drawn out, right?
And look at the 9 and VWAP is getting squeezed right now.
Does everybody see it? I got it right here on the chart for you.
Yeah.
If you're watching for free, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. The free only lets you see, I think, like the top screen. But guess what? You can join us for free right now. Speaking of people that have joined for free, is there anybody in here that's brand new to American Dream Trading in our Zoom? If you have a microphone, if you don't want to speak, type it in. Just type in our Zoom chat. I'd love to know that you're in here. Talk to me, Goose. Anybody new in here? Newbie here. Carlos, I see you. Gianni, I see you. Yes, good to have you both here. Listen, if you guys, first time in Zoom, thank you, Brandon. Good to have you in here. Brandon R., make sure you change your name. Same with you, Duarte and Chris. Make sure you guys change your names. I just, Chris, you're okay. Just don't have your full name in there, okay? The reason we do that is because someday if we can get you to the promised land and you start making multi millions of dollars, we don't want your name to be exposed, right? Because we have people in here literally making tens of millions of dollars now. So we have to protect their identities. Just looking out for you. Appreciate you all being here, though. If you guys have any questions, ask. Okay. Since you guys are in the free premium area, you guys have access from 8:45 until 4 o'clock every single day, all day long with this Zoom. And of course, the Traders Lounge, the Premium Lounge, you guys all have access to the training videos now. You should see that over on the side in the channels. Welcome. Appreciate it. Yeah, all you need to do is go back over to zoom.com and log in and then just change your profile or display name. Okay. Moderators, can you do me a favor? Can you just change, take out their last name for me? There you go. I see they're happening now.
On already.
Appreciate you. Thank you. Appreciate you. Again, we just like to protect your identity in here.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Thank you. 1 minute to shift change. A volume will be coming in. Apple touched VWAP. Back down it goes. We also have a full help desk if you guys need help. Over on the left-hand side, over on our server, if you go underneath the American Dream Trading, it says Help Desk Support. If you click on that, you can create a ticket. We will never reach out, friend request, direct message you, none of that. Those are scammers, okay? So please be careful. We will never ask to trade for you. We'll never say, how's your trading going? That's not us. That's flim flammer skim scammers. Make sure you turn off all friend requests. DMs, by the way, are a bannable offense here. We catch you DMing one person, including a moderator, you are out of here. I don't give a crap if you bought a membership or not. You will be kicked out of here. No refunds, no questions asked.
Chip change.
Here we go. Volume coming in now. SPY up there on that ceiling again. See if we can get another pullback here off the ceiling on SPY at 653.70. If we get a pop, I'll get out of the trade, flip the script. There we go. Got to stop in place. Looks like it's starting to get a nice run. There it goes. It's starting to get a nice, beautiful pop up there now. I like it. We'll flip that and go long, see if we can get that to stay up because we've got a nice move now up to that 654.20 area. So now that we're in this new channel, see if we can get this to run up to that 654.20, which is going to be your pre-market high. Everybody see it? And when we get up to that 654.20, you know I'm going to be shorting it up there again, don't you? Yeah, you do. Nice, nice. Thank you again, everybody, for being here. Everybody that's brand new, we appreciate you. Hopefully, you love the fact that you can ask questions literally all day long and get real answers in real time. We are the only stock market training company that allows that, by the way. The only one that I know of in the US. Appreciate you. Thank you for hanging out with us today, everybody that's watching. If you're a first timer, my name is Chad, aka the Coach. I've been trading the stock market for 33 years now. I've trained over 1 million people. So far, as reported by our members, we are around $300 million in profits for our trading community. I cannot verify that. That's just reported by our members. There we go. Getting that nice move to that upside. Still looking for a little bit more. A little bit more. We're almost up to that 654.20. We're so close to the ceiling here. I'm going to take my profits right here. I'm going to actually now look for a short. Looking to short the ceiling. Oh, did I miss the move? I talking about it instead of doing. Zoom in a little bit more. I do want to short this top. It's got a little bit more. I wanted it to get, well, where are we at? 12. I mean, we're so close to where I want to be with it to short it. It's actually a good spot to short it now for me doing it. And then what I'll do is I will put my stop up here just above. Because remember, we want to get into it a little bit early, right? wait to get in that too late and you're not going to get it. Now we have to let this work. Now remember, anytime you're trying to do this, you can go in the red because it has to work up there. That's okay. It's all part of it. It's all part of the experience. Just looking for
62%.
this. Oh my gosh, nice job. And Apple, new low a day, right, partner?
Yes, sir.
Love it. Absolutely beautiful. Let me see if this works without a stupid confirmation. Nope. Oh my. All right, I gotta
Or
figure out.
since we're after 10 o'clock, I just want to go over the contracts real quick.
Yeah, go
On
ahead.
that pull down to the very first test to the downside, we got up on, well, from my fill, I saw 55, maybe 57% on that retracement back up to VWAP. I went back to 20%. So it was like a 35 to 37% retracement. So that's why I try to point these things out, because a lot of people put their stop 5% away or 10% away and then end up getting
Yeah,
stopped
right.
out. I missed the rest of the run, and then they're trying to second
Yeah,
guess themselves, trying to jump back in, and so it's easier to leave it with more breathing room, and so we can watch VWAP and not necessarily put your stop so tight. And if you're in a single position, it's 10 times harder to do that. But if you've had some, if you've already collected, it's a little bit easier to
yes,
leave that one as a runner.
that's correct. Yeah, all great points. Yeah, and the idea, remember, gang, of the stops is to just protect you for nasty moves, right? It's not necessarily for little micro moves, unless you're doing some sort of strategy like up here, right? If I was getting into this double top at this high, I could have a tighter stop, right? So it would make sense on this spot. But in a 2-minute EWO, hell no. If you guys have tight stops, you're just going to keep getting stopped out, right? All right, Spy is now it is up on the double top. It's all the way up on the ceiling here. Everybody see
Yeah,
it?
all the way.
This is the move.
Yeah.
Whee! Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Touch me, baby.
Damn it. Come on. Come on.
Come
Come
on.
on.
All right. I don't know why we've got mics open, but let me kill all the mics while I'm trying to trade.
There's a hot
I
stock
got
pick on
Thank you.
WYM
I got
that's
stopped
jumped in.
out. Now the move right here, everybody. You see how it broke through? You see why I had my stop? No harm, no foul up there, right? Now watch. Now this is a retest. If this comes down, touches, and keeps running, we're in new territory, and and we're good to go for the long. Yep, there goes. Bye. I'm in long. Came down, touched it, retest, pop new high. I'm in that long. Now, the beauty of it is we already know don't be in it below 654.20, right? In case it's a fake out. So, what I'm going to do on this one again, I'm going to take this. If I could get my mouse to work, I'm going to take this. I'm going to set myself up with a stop just in case it's a fakey fake. I set this up and then I'm going to get rid of my take profit because that's for little babies who don't know how to trade at all. And let it run.
Spy shorts are scrambling there, coach. Oracle caught him by
Oh, yeah.
surprise.
Yep, there it goes. There's a nice run. Come on, baby. Get up there. Nice. Now you guys see what I had to do, right? I had to flip that script, right? Remember, I was in the double top waiting for it to short. It stopped me out. I want to see my figures. I don't want to trade with the P&L. I want to let it happen, baby. Let the work, let the magic happen. Wow, look at Spy up there. Hit 654.50. Is there anything up there? What do you guys got for resistance? Anybody see resistance anywhere? Any levels?
I have a
That's
number right
highs.
now at
Oh, hold on.
654.80.
Everybody at once start talking. What do you got?
654.80.
Okay. Anybody else? Got anything else?
Top
That's what be the all-time high.
Sorry, somebody else
You're at
was.
all-time highs,
You're heading
coach.
towards blue sky.
All-time high is what?
654.82.
Yeah.
650. All right, I'm marking it now. Thank you.
Here you pull back. Here it is.
All right, got it marked. Yep, I've
And
got my
Coach,
stop in there.
I think that was from pre-market too, Coach.
Was it? Okay, thank you. Yeah, I didn't even see it over there. I didn't have time to mark any of it. I was working on this stuff.
Correct. All-time high in pre-market.
Does the top of the regression channel on the 1 minute play, Coach?
I don't use it as much just because it's too volatile. But I mean, if you're scalping the 1 minute, you can use it, right?
Okay.
I typically just don't, only because it's such a tight time frame. Could you cancel out? Should be. I have no idea. Bruno, I don't know what you're saying there.
That's just the one-on-one, just as a reminder for later. We got him over on the right schedule for Tuesday, and the Thursday
Oh,
still might be on your schedule. Yeah. For later. It
Whoops.
doesn't have
Okay.
to be right now. Doesn't have to be right
Okay.
now.
Gotcha. Yeah, I thought it was correct. I have no idea. Um, Marlon, if you're in here, let me know which one it was scheduled for, or Bruno, if you know, so I know which one to cancel, so I don't
Yeah,
accidentally cancel the wrong one.
that
Just put
that
the
one-on-one.
date.
Yeah, I'll just put it in the notes.
Yeah, just put the date, and then I'll go in and get rid of it. Thank you.
Hey,
Speaking
coach,
of
and it's
one-on-ones,
scheduled.
go ahead.
Sorry about that. It's scheduled for the 14th of October, so you can cancel
Yeah, no
the.
worries. Yeah, no worries. We'll take care of it. Bruno will
Thank you
send me
very
the one to
much.
get rid of. Yep, absolutely. We're just trying to keep the mentorship ones away from the one-on-ones so that I don't get double booked. Appreciate you. Speaking of one-on-ones and mentorships, if you guys want, you can schedule a full year mentorship with me, which I've never done before. I have one right now that I'm taking on for an entire year. That is 1 hour per week that we will meet. We will discuss everything that you could ever imagine. We can talk about everything in that room. Working with you for a full year. If you are interested in that, open up a help desk ticket. It is first come, first served. Obviously, I don't have a bunch of time to do a ton of those, but I do have some free space. If you're interested in an every other week program, we can also look at that. I can entertain it. I just have to make sure you're serious about it before I dedicate that kind of time into someone. So if you guys are interested in my mentorship program, which I have never had before, in the 5 years of American Dream Trading and the 3 years that I have gone live, now is your chance. I have enough seats for probably 3 people maximum, just depends on how I schedule those out, but I will not be taking on any more than that. So if you've ever wanted to work with someone who's created the greatest stock market traders this world has ever seen before, as reported by my members, because I cannot verify their accounts, come and see me. I'm right here. Want to work with the best of the best? I'm right here. Appreciate you. Now, see what SPY did? You see how it came down and it tested that level and then it bounced and took off? So that's support, right? So what was once resistance is now support. Everybody seen that?
I see it, boss.
Yep, yep. Had a one-on-one yesterday. Absolutely amazing. Taji, you in here?
Yes, sir. It was effing amazing.
Thank you, my brother. I was just thinking about that while I was watching this chop, and you and I talking about that choppy chop right
Yeah.
there. Beautiful.
I also actually just sent a message in that ticket.
Let's see. Yep, no worries. So, is it okay if I announce it just so I can fill the spot?
Sure.
Okay, just so everybody knows, I just filled a spot for every other week. That spot is gone. Congratulations to you, Taji. I look forward to working with you for a full year every other week. Yesterday we had a one-on-one. It was amazing. And
Yeah,
I look
I'm
forward to
excited
working
too.
with
It's
you for a
gonna be
full
fantastic.
year. Absolutely. Appreciate you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, it was funny yesterday when I was trying to get the video for you, right? Because as soon as I got done, I was waiting for the video to finish so I could send it into that ticket. And it disappeared, and I kept messaging Bruno back. I'm like, what is going on? It's not here. I'm like, it's not on my system. Do you see it on Zoom? Is it gone? Where's it at? We couldn't find it. We're looking everywhere. Like it just completely disappeared from our system. And I look in the ticket, and Arlo's like, hey, I sent you that video. We're like, what? So she must have been watching it the second it was done. She grabbed it, boom, threw it into your ticket, and it disappeared from my system, man. We were freaking out.
Yeah, it was really quick. And I've already
Yeah.
watched it twice, just so you know.
Oh, good. Good, good. Yeah, that's phenomenal. Bruno, so you see that? We'll talk about that when I get offline. Do you see it?
Yeah, I see it. I just
All right.
saw
So
his message. I
Taji,
was just, yeah, I was looking at
yes.
his
So,
account to see.
yep. So Taji, we'll get with you after I get offline and we'll put it all in the ticket and we'll get it all finalized for you.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yep. You got it.
And Google just broke all-time high
All
just right
right.
now.
Good job. Nice, nice.
Wow, Google is really going to the upside.
EDHL just halted to the upside.
Nice. Was that a hot stock pick?
Yeah, it was.
Yep. Thank you. Yeah. AEHL. Nice. Nice, nice. It's by also making this nice bounce again to that upside. Did anybody go long on that above that 650, 420 area we were talking about?
Sitting on it still.
Yeah,
Nice job.
I've I've
Good
been
job.
in it
Just
since the double bottom, so I still have one
oh, good,
contract.
good job.
Just
Man, you
one, but it's better than
no,
nothing.
no, that's beautiful. That is a beautiful trade. Yeah, think about it. If you guys got in when I talked about the double bottom of 650, 270, holy beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Nice job. Good job.
I had to manage my buying power because this morning I went crazy on Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft. So
Right,
I
right.
think like what is it? $2,054.
Nice
If you don't,
job.
yeah.
Wait, how much?
2,052.
Oh my gosh, Nana. Could you ever imagine before making that kind of money in a half an hour?
Great job, Nana.
Congratulations, Nana.
Oh,
That's awesome.
I mean, this morning was a good way to make money. So
Good job. Just paid for your next vacation, right?
yeah, coming up in November.
How
There you
much did you
go.
make now?
2,052.
You go, girl. Spanking the
$2,000.
market.
Well, I did three contract on album, three contract on Microsoft, and three contract on Amazon, all the way
Okay.
down.
You spread it out.
And then I
Remember,
Nice
scalp a
job.
spy here and there, and that's it.
Nice
remember, Nana,
job.
when you like $20 and $50 a day?
I know,
Yeah.
right? That's what I'm saying.
Like,
Just
yeah.
crushing it. Love it, man.
Remember when we raised money for her transmission?
I do. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah,
You've come
right.
a
Doesn't that
long
seem
way,
like
Nana.
forever ago?
And
That is,
what did I say, Coach? No matter
that's
what, I
awesome.
will never ever give up because of that.
Yeah,
Been here every
absolutely.
single morning.
Every day. We are blessed every day to have you in here with us, Nana. Now there's that break of 654.20. You guys should be shorting in that new channel, yes?
Well,
Hello?
here go my last contract. Bye-bye. And reversed.
Yep, shorting in that channel. I didn't get any of it, but I'll catch the tail. I'll catch a little bit. Let's see if it's got a little more to give right here. Ricky Bobby, we see you over in ticket 3719. I posted in the stock channel. Oh, not this. Yeah, stock education channel. Bruno posted there's an options profit calculator that you can use for any of those swing trades you're holding on to see what the potential is. Now, obviously, they're not dead accurate, but you'll get a good idea of what the price is on the contract, okay? Oh, I see it, Bucko. I'll try to change it now. Thank you, partner. I see it. Let me see if I can do it now, partner. See if I can not blow up the whole system trying to do it. Bear with me, gang. There we go. It should be a little better, Bucko. Bucko, I haven't been showing them my entire screen. If they want to gain access to that, they can go to americandreamtrading.com and get that, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep, yep. That's why I've been giving them kind of a teaser, right? Just enough. I forgot I was still in this trade. Get out of that. Let's not do that anymore. No more goofing around with those little singles. All right. Let's see. Levi, messaging you in ticket 5522. Take a look at it. Let me know. By the way, those are going fast. We might have just sold another mentorship for a year with me that does not leave any more spots. I guess if those are two halves, that makes a full, so I can do two more then. Again, if you guys are serious and you want to have a mentorship with me for a full year, you want to open a ticket right now. I can also do those in two payments. I can do those in two payments if that helps you out. One payment now and one in 30 days.
By the way, Apple just went new low.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, Bruno, he's keeping those. Taji, are you in here, partner? I get
Yes, sir.
confirmation now. You're also keeping the one-on-one mentorship with David as well, correct?
Yes.
Yep. There you go, Bruno. Okay, we just wanted to make sure. Thank you, partner. Oh, speaking of that, by the way, if you guys do want to get access to, Apple new low a day. If you guys want to also do a mentorship with David, it's 5K every other week for a year straight. Same with those. We have limited seating for this style of stuff because we are only humans and we only have so much time. So if you guys are interested in signing up with that with David, let us know. Open up a ticket and we'll get you squared away. All right, SPY's still up here in the choppy chop soup. You can see it broke back below 654.20 and then it just bounced at 654. Apple, you have new low a day, 2-minute EWO riders. Those of you that are practicing or using our 2-minute EWO strategy, you guys are in a beautiful setup. Now, I told you earlier you didn't have any pullback areas. That was before the pullback here at 946 back to VWAP. It touched VWAP. It came back down. You can see it came all the way to the top at 956. Now, you know our rule with the 2-minute EWO strategy. If it does not break and hold and go through VWAP, you should still be in the trade. Unless it would have made your green go red, which it should not have since you got in here at the closer to the open. So all of you that are in the 2-minute EWO strategy should at least have a contract in. Am I right? Is everybody still in there with at least a runner? At least. Tell me right now.
Yes, coach.
Is David here today?
Yes. He's trading the hell out of that
I know
right
he's in
now.
the chat, but it's like I didn't hear him yet.
No. He's talked this morning. He's in that trade. He's actively trading that trade right there. So
I'll be the honest one and admit that I set my stop too tight and it stopped me out. So yeah.
That's a too tight of a stop. If that's the case.
that's all right. You know what
That
we
actually
say to
had a cool
do?
echo on it.
You guys, you know what we do when that happens, though, right? We get right back in it, don't we? Good job. If your stop was too tight and it was still going the way it was supposed to, then there's no reason why you didn't just re-enter the trade because you know you should not have been out of it. Correct?
Absolutely. I just didn't
Yep.
follow that second step.
I got you. But nice job, though. Hopefully, you at least made some money this morning off of that trade. Yes?
0.53% on account.
Yes. Good job.
Coach, I've had my hand up for a little while, but it'll be a
Yeah, go
different
ahead.
topic. I just want to make sure it
Yeah,
can be
sorry.
okay.
Yeah,
So no, you
absolutely.
don't have to apologize. We have an IPO today. Klarna, KLAR, is what's going to be opening today. This is a big New York Stock Exchange company. It's raised 1.37 billion and is worth over 15 billion at this time. But what makes it very interesting is that it is the second buy now, pay later company, and we have Affirm's history to give us an indication of where it should be. Pre-market offers were between 35 and 37-ish dollars. I'm looking for open around 38 to $42 as a opening price. It is working on that right now. It is not open yet.
I'm sorry,
It's
which
in
one? Richard, what was that?
Klarna. It's K as in kitchen, L as in Larry, A as in Apple, R as in Richard. They're in 20. It's a Swedish company, so I know a little bit more about it. But they're in 26 countries. It's big. New York Stock Exchange kind of shows that. But this one, everybody's been starving for IPOs. It's going to be very interesting. But proceed at your after you do your own research. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you, Richard.
Thank you, Easter Bunny. Bonk, bonk. Appreciate you.
Well, for those that are new and are listening in and haven't joined us, it's another show of the depth that we have that you can come here for knowledge in many different areas. So invest in yourself.
tonight we've got Richard's Radar on the aftermarket, a segment that he does for us twice a week over there. Wednesdays and Fridays we play his little
I gotta
nuggets
move the
that he
car
gives
then. I
us.
know you're gonna be.
Watch your mics. But thank you, Richard, for that. So look for that tonight on the aftermarket at 4:00.
Thank you. Bruno, did you just type in a typo?
No, he's got a
Is there
payment
credit on
alert.
something?
Yeah, there is.
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay, thank you.
I had to scroll down even further and I see it. So it's that's the new payment, Tosh. If you go in there, that's what it would be.
Tosh, you see it in there, partner? So it'll be
Yes, sir. I
that
see it.
for
Thank
the
you.
Yep. So it'll be that for the next 3 months.
Okay.
All right,
Thank you.
Spy. Yep, you got it, partner. Thank you. Spy starting to pull 654 here, gang. So this is that level of support. If we get a breakthrough right here, we're going to be looking for that 653.70. All right here. I can get this to pull a little bit more. We could look at shorting this. Apple, there's your move back to the upside. Okay, right here. There we go. Nice shorting spot here. Looking for a nice pull. See if we get a little bit more down to the 653.70. We'll have to watch this trade. I keep putting the trade in there and forgetting about them. Today, since we haven't done any cool specials in a while, I'm going to do a special for you. Those of you that are listening, you buy 1 year VIP today. 1 year for VIP today. That's $2,500. I'm going to give you a year of VIP gold for free today and today only. That is a $2,500 value. Buy a VIP annual membership right now. I will give you a VIP gold membership for free. Do it right now. It's $2,500 value. Thank you. Are you watching stocks through those goggles? Yes, I am. So this is the Apple Vision Pro. I've actually got everything up on my system over here. I've got a giant widescreen set up on me, and I've got over here on my right, I've got X. Over here on my left, I've got all my Benzinga and all of my news. Up here, I've got text messages for my wife if she needs anything. And then, of course, I've got my Mac sitting here in front of me, and I can put anything up. I've got all my widgets over here so I can see all my to-dos and appointments today. I've got my Cybertruck. I can see all my information. I've got all my reminders set over there. I've got all my battery systems showed up. I've got all my chat GPTs, my Geminis, all of my AI is on my wall. I can go up and touch it, or I can just activate it. I've got everything in here running off of my Apple Vision Pro and a MacBook Pro 16 I've got setting in front of me. So it's basically like having 50 4K 60-inch monitors like all over my room right now.
It's like Minority Report.
It is, except the real deal. It is exactly like Minority Report, yep. Or that Johnny Mnemonic, right? It's amazing.
Or Iron Man.
Yes. Yeah, for sure.
A
I
little
love
bit
it.
more like Max Headroom.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Nice.
Great call out.
Yes.
Well, we beat the dead horse again with Apple, 74% on my last two runners.
Oh my gosh, I love hearing
Way
it.
to go, David. Woo!
Nice job, David. How much have you locked in today so far, David?
Let's see. About 2,500.
Oh my gosh, $2,500 so far today, ladies and gentlemen. The market's been open exactly 1 hour. All right, here's that poll that we were discussing, everybody, right here. Down to the next level. I'm going to take my profits right there. 75. I knew I had a little bit more, but that's that pull we were looking for right there, Taji. coming back down to that 650, 370 partner. If you get a break through that, we're going to hammer it again. But right here, we're going to
Here we
be
go.
patient. Yep. You see how we got into that new channel and it pulled down like we were talking about yesterday?
Yeah, that was incredible.
Yep. And now we're in a new channel. So now we're looking at, okay, are we going to short this or are we going to see if we're going to get a bounce off of VWAP? Remember, VWAP, everybody in the room, is the strongest level of support and or resistance when it gets to it. So I'm actually looking to see if we're going to get a bounce here. So I'm being very patient. I can trade this bounce, which I will now. I'm actually in this long. And if it decides to pull and get ripped through there, I will sell it off and I'll flip the script and I'll go short. But since this is support, we should get a little bit of a bounce here. Doesn't mean it's going to be a lot, but we should get some sort of bounce off this key area. 650, 370. Apple still bleeding out. All right, I was going to say, if this bleeds here, this is sitting. You see how it's stalling out? That should have already bounced. I'm out. That should have already went boing, right? So that's a stalled out candle. I don't want to sit in that. I'm just going to give it a minute, but looking for support here. There goes the bounce. I was a little too impatient. Taji, you see that nice bounce off of VWAP?
Yeah, that was awesome.
Yeah,
You called it.
that's nice. Yes, it's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that bounce. Goodness gracious. Uh-oh. Hold on a sec. My TikTok studio's yelling at me. Give me just 1 second. One of my systems is freaking out right now. There we go. Hold on, gang. Just give me 1 second. There we go. That's one more time. What a delay on this thing.
Do you play that the same way off of Vivo?
I do until it doesn't want to anymore, right? So I will do that until it does. Um, but the way as I say, the way you got that bleeder candle, I want to short this now, which I'm in it. I don't know if I got in it in time. I'm in it though. Yeah, because we're in this, we stay down here. We got a huge area. Just watch this spot. You can see support is 653.55. So 653.50 is support right here. We get a break through that, and it is hasta la vista, baby, right?
Lights
So if
out.
you're not in that trade yet, wait for a break and hold now. Below the 653.50. I got in a little early. I got a little excited there, and then it stopped. You guys see the way that candle just stopped right there? Yeah, I want to see it break below 653.50, and we'll get us a nice bleeder. It's dancing with the devil right there in the pale moonlight. Oh, it's just sitting on that support level. But I'm going to use now, since I'm in this, I'm using the 653.70 as my mental stop, right, gang? Because that was that previous area I wanted it to break. So now I'll use that as my resistance level. And if it breaks through that, I'll get out. But if it doesn't break through that, I'm going to stay in this short looking to collect. There it goes. There it is. Bingo. Yeah, baby. Look at that. That's nice. Come on, you got more. Come on, give us some more. That's nice. Nice, nice. Sit down in there. Getting a little greedy because I like it in that channel, but love it down there. Come on, get down there. So 653.50 was support. I've got 653.70, which I'll use as my stop. I got greedy. I didn't take it. There wasn't a lot of meat on the bone right there. So right here, this will be this is my kill switch if it pops above that 653.70. Had a little wick through that's not going through yet. Right here, if that candle stays above that previous candle, I will be out of that trade. But notice it's just wick, wick, right? Still fighting it. Still fighting it. Apple trying to find support at 227.50. 227.50 on Apple.
Yes, coach. That's the gamma flip too.
Is it? Okay, thank you. There we go. There's that pullback again. Come on, baby. You got more. Let's go. Come on, get down in there. Got a little greedy last time. I will take this. We get a little more green, just making small trades. Not trying to make a ton of money. I'm just making trades. Bouncing between 653.70 and 653.50. Looking for that breakthrough again to 653.50. Boom, hammer that again, right? Every time it breaks below that area, that's a short. It is a green trade again, but I want a little more. Still sitting here at the same level. Let me pull this in. But that's one thing nice. Oh, it just broke through. I'm out. That's my stop. You guys see how I used my mental stop on that? That broke through to the upside into that new channel area. I don't want to be in that short, right?
Yeah. Okay.
In it long. Flip the script, already making money. Come on, baby. New channel. Now I'm looking for
Was that a
six.
double bottom, coach?
Was it a micro? I didn't look at it. Sorry. And
Yeah.
I'd have to look. Yeah, I
No,
don't see
no,
a
no.
double bottom. Yeah, I don't see no bottom off that.
Okay.
There we go. Flip the script, right? Come on, baby. We're in that new area, 653.70 to 654 now.
Flip the mattress.
Yep, flip it over.
You can't
I
get
asked
in
that
low if
because
it's going on.
IWM tends to mirror and it had a double bottom. That's why I asked you that.
Oh, I gotcha.
They both bounced. They both bounced right there.
This is now, it's just flat. I'm out. Don't need that thing in my life. It's too flat. I want it to constantly run through that. All right, let me look. Yes.
Tesla's on a double top.
Thank you. Yep, there it is. SPY in that new area, 650, 370 to 654. Apple still down there. Still down on the downside. Oh my gosh, I'm loving that. Apple, everybody in Apple, talk to me. How are we doing over there?
Contracts are starting to just chop around. We're still sitting around 80% on runners.
I gotcha. Gotcha. Still nice though to be in that move, right?
Yes, sir. We broke
Think
the
about it.
pre-market. We had the EMAs, we had VWAP, we had the 2-minute EWO, we had everything.
Yes. Think about it. The market's only been open an hour and 15 minutes, right? All of that was done in an hour and 15 minutes. Doesn't it seem like a lot longer than that? Like it just, to be able to make that kind of money in an hour, it seems like that should take, 40 hours, right?
Yeah,
It's like,
it used to
no.
take more than 40 hours.
Right. That's what I mean. It's
Yep.
crazy. We're like, nah, we'll just sit here for an hour and we'll make what we would have made in 2 weeks. Be like, ding.
Coach, is there a double top on NVDA?
Oh, let me look. Yes, it is, partner. Good call. Good call. Be careful up there, everybody. You guys see that? Double top on Nvidia at 179, right? Right there. Everybody see it? Be very careful. Yeah, Bruno, see what I wrote? Does that make sense? I know they're technically
Yeah,
every other week, but we'll
yeah, that,
we'll we'll
that
package it into a pool of 26 total. That way, if people move theirs, they'll have vacations come up. Be like, "Oh, it's Christmas. Can we move it?" We'll just be like, "Okay, that's 26 sessions." You know what I mean?
yeah, that part makes sense. And the other one
Yep,
for
yep.
Marlon, the other one for Marlon, I can't see your schedule if he did schedule something. I was just
Oh,
going
I
based off
gotcha.
previous conversation. So if he did put something in there for Thursday, you just got to get rid of the Thursday one from Marlon.
Okay, no worries. I'll look at that after I get off.
All right.
All right, NVIDIA 179. NVIDIA 179, double top. See what we're gonna do. SPY bounce around that key level again. 653.70 and VWAP is there. By the way, Apple had their event yesterday. Did anybody scoop up or are you anticipating ordering on Friday any new Apple devices? Anybody in the room? Is that a no? Okay.
I'm a ride it till the wheels fall off kind of guy.
I I got you. I will be ordering the new orange iPhone 17 Pro Max. I've got my wife, she's on 2 generations ago. I'm going to get her the iPhone Air only because she doesn't really take pictures and doesn't care about camera quality and all that crap. So she'll have a lighter, larger display phone with the same battery life as what she was getting before. So that'll be exciting. And of course, oh, okay, here's the coolest thing. David, did you see the new AirPods Pro 3s have live translation?
Oh yeah, we were Palm was making a joke about it because they're all over TikTok and they're like $20. And so he's like, "Well, yeah, if you're buying a set, then of course you're taking advantage of everything else, but I don't see the purpose of the buying them just for that feature." And so we had mixed feelings about that yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh, I
Yeah,
don't know. It's a
absolutely.
pretty perfect device. You've got a hearing aid, you've got translator,
Heart
you've
rate,
got
heart rate
heart rate
monitor.
monitor. Unbelievable.
Yeah, it's a hearing device. Yeah, it's probably one of the greatest pieces of tech that's ever come out. If you combine all those things together, noise canceling, right, which means you could use them like in work areas and things to block the noise. Yeah, it's one of those. They've really put so many things together that it's become one of the perfect devices. Absolutely. And it's funny, we don't go. I mean, I have AirPods Pro 2 in right now. My wife and I don't go anywhere ever without these in our pocket. You will never, ever find me ever in life without a pair of these in my pocket. Ever. And I mean ever. These go everywhere,
And coach,
all the
the
time.
other thing that that I think was the one complaint that people had is the ear canal that for some people
Right.
it doesn't fit,
Right.
and they've
Yeah.
adjusted for that as well.
Yep. Yeah. They said now that they sized them with 100,000 different people to get the perfect fitting. So they made them smaller and now give you five earpieces to make sure that anybody can use them now. Yeah, it's the perfect device. It's like this Apple Vision Pro I have right now. This to me, I mean, if it was lighter, right, it would be great and all that. Which I was really hoping they were going to come out with a lighter one, but it is what it is. But this, to me, is the greatest piece of technology that has ever existed. And I mean ever. And I've owned every one that has ever existed. I've owned every piece of technology. This is the best technology that has ever come out in history. And I mean ever. Without a doubt. Period. Point blank. No questions asked. That's it. That's all.
Hey, question, Coach. You still have the
Tell me.
original earpiece little things, the earbuds, or have you switched to the phone?
The original, which ones, partner?
The attachments that allow it to go into your ear, are those the original that came with it? You still using
Uh,
those?
yes, I still
You
have the
can replace
regular
them with
ones. Yeah.
foam, and oh my goodness, it is a world of difference. They're on Amazon. They're, I don't know, $10,
Oh, nice.
and yeah, it's
Oh, I
amazing.
bet.
It's a
Yeah, I
night and day
bet.
difference.
Well, that's what so the AirPods Pro 3, the new ones that are coming out, that's what they are. They're phone based. So that's exactly what they did and that's why a lot of that noise canceling is going to be better too, is because of that foam.
And they stay
Covers
in.
more.
So I mean, they stay in. I've
Yeah,
lost them so many times, and
right.
find them mowing the lawn, and now with the foam
Yeah.
ones, I haven't lost them yet.
That's phenomenal. You know what's nice too with these AirPods, we're getting all techy, but it's late in the day. But the AirPods Pro 2s, the nice thing with these two is you can use the Find My. So the case will whistle, the individual buds will beep, and if I do Find My, it'll actually show up and pinpoint. I can walk right to the device. It will take me right to my device. Did you guys all know that? So you will never lose these. It would be impossible to lose the new AirPods. You guys all know that, right? I don't know if you do or not, but it is. It'd be
I
impossible.
found out the hard way, but the good way.
Yeah, yeah, right. So the
Hey,
new ones,
Darnell.
yeah, the new ones will let you find them wherever, which is pretty freaking phenomenal.
Hey, coach,
Yep.
Apple did revisit the Gamma Flip. This is a really good place to watch here for a potential upside move.
Nice, nice. Okay, I'll check it out.
Actually, if you ever noticed Apple on events and earnings, it tends to sell off right after getting new things at a
Y-
discount.
Yeah, well, you know what? It always does that. It's because it's buy
That's what
the
I'm
rumor,
saying.
sell the
Yeah.
news. Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll always be that way. Yep. That's why I was saying the last 2 weeks it'll lead up to it and then it'll fall off, right?
Yeah.
It's always like that. All right, SPY
As a
double
matter of fact,
bottom.
if it goes up, it's average of 2% for the week. If it goes down, it's an average of 4% for the week.
There you go. Right here, gang. We got us a double bottom setup on SPY. Now this is a micro double bottom, so it doesn't carry as much weight as a natural double bottom like previous day or pre-market or a juicy one. So don't put a lot of weight into it. Somebody's mic is opened. Let me get that. Oh, moderator's got it. Thank you.
It's also sitting on the 200 on the 1 minute, coach.
Is it? Okay, thank you.
Well, it's a little under it now, but
Yeah, if we can get it to break and hold through this area, then we can look at. There is a lot of traffic over here though from this morning. There's so much busyness over there. We'll see. Nice job, F2, getting it done again. My gosh, if you guys don't know F2's story, make sure you guys go over to YouTube. Check out the aftermarket, right? F2 was, right? He's been with us for a long time. He's been working through it, right? He almost quit. This is the beauty of what we do. He literally almost quit on himself. Today, he's made $4,850. He's well over 600, or I'm sorry, 100,000 plus dollars. I'm not sure what the count is anymore, right? Just didn't quit, did not give up, did not quit. And now every single day is having thousands of dollars in profits every single day. He's now made more than his 9 to 5 job in trading, and he almost quit. Yep, there's that double
Way to go,
bottom
F.
bounce.
Proud of you.
That's amazing. That is amazing. Good job,
Coach, NVDA is working on the handle.
Oh, I see it. Yep. So we had a couple things. So SPY double bottom bounce, right? We called that. NVIDIA double top pullback. We called that. Now NVIDIA's into a cup and handle. Oh, what are you trading right now? I'm sorry, I have ES up, but for you guys, you're just going to be looking at SPY. So if you guys see my ES chart, that's actually going to be for SPY. Okay, even though it says ES, that's futures. Don't worry about it. We're looking at SPY for you. Okay. Hold on one second. That's awesome. Would you recommend that on screens? Only if you're obviously, if you don't have a problem with the weight, right? Because this is a little heavier if you're not used to wearing headsets. This is heavier, obviously. If you have monitors, you don't have headsets. But if you're okay and you're comfortable with these, but I've been using VR for over, I don't know, since VR came out. So well over a decade, 15 years, give or take, however long it's been out, 12 years, right? I own 4 VR headsets upstairs. I've owned every one from the Oculus to HTC Vives, HTC Vive Pro 2s, all the MetaQuest 1, 2, 3, MetaQuest Pros. Everything that has ever come out, I have owned it, used it, tested it, ran it. Let's put it this way. If there was only one device that I could have, now obviously if I could carry this around and do all the things, but if there was only one device, if they said you can only get one, minus your phone, because you have to have your phone. It's the only portable device you can have whether you goes anywhere. If you could only have one device, it would be the Apple Vision Pro. Period, point blank, done. That's it. This is more powerful than most laptops that are out. This will do everything you could ever fathom. Ever. Right now, if you guys could see my screen, this is about a 30-foot virtual ultra wide display from my MacBook that's being used right now. And the beauty of this is I don't even have to use my MacBook. The only reason I have to use my MacBook is because of what we're doing, which is streaming through Zoom and, doing all the stuff. But I can access Zoom in here. I can have all my charts in here. I can trade off of Webull, off of the web. I can have my Discord server, my chat messages, my X. I can put everything on here all at the same time. You cannot do that with your displays. And guess what? I have two 49-inch OLED displays upstairs in my home office. It cannot do any of this at all. And I've got a 5090 GPU, highest end computer you can make upstairs, cannot do this. So what does that tell you? So while everybody's like, but it costs a lot. How much would it cost for me to have IMAX theaters while I'm doing my work with spatial audio? Tell me how much that would cost. Tell me right now. How about the 80 monitors I could have up in my room right now? How much would that cost? Right? Oh, but it costs thousands of dollars. I'm not gonna do. Then it's not for you. You can't handle the truth, right?
How much are they, Coach? I'm driving. I can't look.
This one is the higher end. I paid 4,000, but if you get the base model, it's 3,500, I believe. And I'm sure you could probably buy it used for 2K all day long.
That's
Yeah, I
on my
use
wish
this.
list. Thanks.
Oh, absolutely. I use this on my flights, when we travel, at our hotels, when we do things, when we go anywhere. There's not a single day that I am not running this multi-million dollar business off of this headset. Right? Look at this. I can connect my keyboard, I can connect a trackpad to it. Hell, if I wanted to, I could play my PlayStation 5. You guys ever played a PlayStation 5 in an IMAX theater with spatial audio? I just take my controller, literally connect it to the Apple Vision Pro. I can take it anywhere that I have internet. It ties into my PS5 Pro, and I'm playing Call of Duty, baby, in an IMAX controller and a headset. That's all I need. Anywhere in the world. That's
I
all I
love
need.
Call of Duty.
Yep, I can do it from anywhere. That's what I'm saying. There's
Coach,
nothing
you're such
like
a kid.
this.
But
I
Coach is
love it.
like 15 at heart.
Thank you. Appreciate you. I've been
Stay
a
that
gamer
way,
my
baby. We
whole
love you.
life. I've been a gamer my whole life. I told you, I am a super
coach,
nerd. Yes.
but how do you play with the PlayStation? Even if you are away from your PlayStation, you can play it?
That is correct. You use an app called PS Remote. So that actually connects
Oh
inside
yeah.
of here. Here, let me pull up the app.
Yeah, I know. I have the PS remote, but I thought I have to be close to the or in
Well,
the same Wi-Fi with the Play.
it's different. Portal. So in the Apple Vision Pro, it's an app called Portal, and that allows you to do it. So it's not the actual PS Remote app like you can use on your iPads, your phones, and all that. It's
Mm-hmm.
called Portal, and it's a 4K app, and it lets you
Nice.
tie right into your PS5 Pro. It's so phenomenal.
I love it. I love it. I like games too. That's why I wanted to ask. Thank you.
Oh yeah, it's so good. It's so good.
I'm glad I bought your diamond before I heard about that, Coach. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, it's
So
awesome.
choice.
So choice. Thank
Hey,
you for that.
Coach, the only reason why Richard likes Call of Duty is he goes to Taco Bell all the time.
He likes to call of duty, doo-doo. Call it doo-doo.
Call of Duty.
Nice. Yeah, call it dookie. Very nice. Nice. Shinobi, great name. That was a cool video game on the Sega Genesis Master System. 32-bit Shinobi, right? Shinobi Warriors, and that what that was called? Shinobi. Cool name over there on TikTok. Yes, I am nerding out. I just thought, you know what? I'll put the headset on, do something different. You guys can see something unique. How many people are using Apple Vision Pro, right? And doing this,
Yeah, nobody.
right? Mark, oh my gosh, Mark, I see you. Nice job today, buddy. Good job. I cannot say how much he made because I used his name, but holy crap. What in the world? Bruno's just giving away amazing deals over here. Nice.
Ask and you shall receive sometimes.
That's right. Yeah, yeah, absolutely. I'd rather people ask me for something than not, right? Don't be a little baby. Ask for what you want. I don't got no problem with that. We are always giving deals, aren't we, Bruno?
The worst we can say is no.
That's right. I see you over there, Chad. Nice job. We got you. Spy broke through that 653.43. Who shorted that bad boy when we got below that?
Oh yeah.
Good job, man. You guys are getting so good.
I did, coach.
Uh, Thank you. Bruno, did anybody take advantage of the buy 1 year VIP get 1 year VIP gold for free at $2,500 value?
I did not see anybody do that. No.
Okay. Okay. I'll give you guys 10 more minutes before I shut that deal down then. I'm just gonna shut it down. All right, let's see. NVIDIA, there's your cup and handle with a retest of 179. Did you guys see that? You remember us calling the double top on NVIDIA? One of our members called out that that was coming up to that double top at 179, right? Beautiful job. Love it when a plan comes together. Don't forget, Mark will be in here training and trading live in front of you futures today from 2 to 4 o'clock. Make sure you guys check that out. Make sure you check that out. And then watch our aftermarket show at 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock Eastern every day. If you guys are interested in joining us for free, AmericanDreamTrading.com. And you guys can click on join the community right now. We've also got a 1 week free trial to our stocks and options area, which is the premium membership, and a 1 week trial on crypto, and a 1 week trial on futures. And then all of those will renew at their regular rates. Come over, try us out. See why we are top rated in sales and service for the last 3 years straight, every single day. Come on over and find out the difference here at American Dream Trading. We've got 20 moderators standing by at any time to help you. We've got a full help desk support system. We've got a lot of the back end tools built in. Anything you need to get started. Make sure you verify your accounts when you come over, by the way. If you don't verify your accounts, the system will kick you off. Thank you. Apple, how we doing over there, Apple? Still slowly plugging away to the downside, right?
Yeah, contracts are at 93% right now.
Oh my gosh. Last time I checked in, they were at 80, remember?
Yeah, and I just I posted it in the Apple chat.
Oh, that's glorious, my friend. Love it. Apple getting ready to make new low a day, speaking of Apple. Nice job. 2 minute EWO right at the bell to the downside. Love that. Top viewers today is Bucko, Hudson, Dream Trader, Doug, Shinobi, MYW, B Patel, Pinnacle, Yaddy, and Eric for gifts over there and likes over on TikTok. Appreciate you all. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for letting me play around with the system today. Sorry we started a little late. I just like to do something different all the time. I get bored extremely fast. So I like different areas, different things, right? I'm in a different room in my house today. We were supposed to be at a lakefront property, by the way. We rented a Airbnb house out. We drove there 2 hours, showed up. I didn't like it. We left. We came home. Literally lost all of our money on the deal, but I don't care. I'm not staying where I don't want to stay. That's it. That's all. So that's why I'm here. I'm supposed to be at a lake house till tomorrow. So instead, I'm hanging out with all of you in my sunroom. So thank you again. And sorry we were a little bit late today. Appreciate you.
Apple's on a macro double bottom.
Yep. I see it. And Apple, yeah, this 227.52. So 227.50 I had marked earlier. There goes SPY. Volume coming in, SPY crashing. Nice.
From like 7 days ago.
Yes. Yes, thank you. SPY, right? Looking for the 652.74 is where my next area is set. Who got in that SPY to the downside off that 653.43 break? Wow.
Still in it.
Yes.
18%.
Yeah. Oh, nice job. Good job. Now remember, if you guys are scalping quick, make sure you get in, get green, and get out. Those of you that are following the 2-minute EWO strategies, make sure you guys are using the shedding technique, which is on those pullbacks. You take off 50% of your position size, then 20%, 20%, and allow the last 10% to run. So if you started with 10, take off 5, then 2, 2, and you'll have at least one left. That's how you get through those different key areas and you get to collect profits as you go. All right. Don't hold everything forever in case there's ever a reversal or a news event and you're like, oh no, right? The idea is to never allow a green trade to go red. I've been saying that every single day in here for the last 3 years live. Never let a green trade go red. Now, in the very beginning of the trade, it could go red because you have to let it work, right? So you got to let it work and do its thing. And that's why we have the 25 to 40% rule. If you are over there in the 2-minute EWO, if you are scalping, it could be a little bit different, but you have to let it work in the very beginning. Once it gets away from where you paid for it and you're in the green, then you want to move your stop to at least what you paid and to cover the fees. Because there are always fees, right? There's always buy and sell fees when you place these orders. So at least be a little bit above what you paid. Now, what does that mean? That means the rest of the day, that trade will never go red on you because you have your stop in place. Again, though, try not to have too tight of a stop in the very beginning because if you find yourself, you keep getting stopped out and stopped out and stopped out and stopped out and stopped out, your stops are too tight. And the farther it gets away from where you paid for it, meaning the more in the money you are, open the stops up, let it work more. Okay, goes even farther, let it open a little bit more. Okay, or take some off, or a combination of the two. But what you don't want is you don't want to keep getting stopped out when you should be in a beautiful trade. You need to allow it to work. Let it do what it's supposed to be doing. Let the momentum of the trade continue to carry it until the trade is no more. I hope that makes sense.
Coach, NVDA is taken off.
All right, thank you. So it did a cup and handle. It got ahead of where it started on the double top. Yep. And then new highs. There you go. It's beautiful. That's
Coach, is there a
textbook,
mentoring
right?
call tonight?
I'm sorry?
I'm sorry, didn't mean to interrupt you. Is there a mentoring call tonight or today? Sorry, today your time. Mentoring.
Yes.
I have one. I show one scheduled at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard, so I wasn't sure.
Yeah, Bruno posted that mentorship's going to be at noon today.
Ah, okay. Sorry. Thank you so much.
Yep, no worries. Yeah, did he post that in the? Yes. Yeah, right here. Bruno at 10:58 said mentorship will be pushed back to 12 p.m. Eastern today. Yep. Thank you,
Thank
partner.
you.
Appreciate you. Oh, wow. Juan, that's cool. I like it. Yeah, that's awesome. I see you over in the media team channel. Nice, nice. All right, listen, looks like viewership's dipping. We are at 11, a quarter after 11. Thank you guys for letting me hang out a little bit longer with you today. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for putting up with my little nerdle stuff today with my glasses and all the things. Hopefully it wasn't too bad. I know we finally got rid of the echo. Did anybody make any money today or learn anything? Open up your mics, let the world know.
I did, Coach.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Yes, yes.
Absolutely, Coach. Still making money.
15% on account.
Still in Oracle.
Nice job. Good job, everybody. I'm getting some DMs. It looks like we'll probably be at another $1 million plus day today. So congratulations to all of our community members. I see a lot of people are posting some amazing numbers. Make sure today, do me a favor, post your P&L over in the Traders Lounge. Let the new members know what's going on. Let them see what's happening. Remember, if you don't want to show how much you made, you can always show percentage. Nobody knows what that is of your total account. It does help, and it also does give me a feel and an idea of who is doing what. Let's get that Traders Lounge channel blowing up. I want to see people having some chit chat and some conversations and doing the things over there and hanging out. Appreciate it. I think that's everything for today. Let me make sure to thank all of our moderators. Sorry, I don't have my normal system set up. Give me 1 second. Let me pull up the list. I don't want to forget anybody. There we go. So thank you again to Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Erickson Moto, Jeffrey, Don, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, Mountain Man, and Juan. Appreciate all of you. Bruno, I'll look at that schedule. We'll get those all set up. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We appreciate and honor you every day here. Thank you to my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Appreciate you. Thank you. Oh, there it is. Thank you. Don't forget, I have a spot available for a full year mentorship with me, meeting with me every week. And also, if you want to do every other week, we'll entertain it. We'll look at it, open up a help desk ticket. If you want to get a mentorship with David for a full year, open up that a ticket. We'll help you out. If you guys want to get discounted block hours with me, that is also available. So if you want to buy 2, 5, or 10 hours at a time, the more you buy, the lower we can reduce that rate to get you to where you need to be. There goes SPY pulling down. Other than that, everybody have a blessed day. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for hanging out with the old man, and I'll see you guys on the